Hello guys, you're welcome to today's lesson on letters of the alphabet. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. If it's your first time joining us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you ready? Let's ride on. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for basketball. B is for basketball. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for donut. D is for donut. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for frog. F is for frog. G is for guitar. G is for guitar. H is for house. H is for house. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. K is for koala. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. M is for moon. M is for moon. N is for newspaper. N is for newspaper. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. P is for pumpkin. P is for pumpkin. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R is for rose. R is for rose. S is for seal. S is for seal. T is for tomato. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. So, in this lesson, we're able to look at the letters of the alphabet. I hope you're able to learn the 26 letters of the alphabet. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to EDULEZONE English Tips for more educational content. Have a nice day. Bye.